Click on the link below to get price. The Furuno USA SXC20 Saturday Compass is a remarkable piece of technology designed for marine navigation, delivering accuracy and reliability. This satellite compass stands out with its advanced features, including compatibility with Nmea 2000, which allows seamless integration with a wide range of navigational equipment. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included 4 antennas, which enhance satellite reception and mitigate the potential for signal interference. Each antenna is designed to ensure optimal positioning, resulting in precise heading and position information. This is particularly beneficial for vessels operating in challenging environments, where traditional magnetic compasses may falter due to nearby metal structures or magnetic fields. The SXC20 offers exceptional performance in dynamic marine conditions. Its ability to provide real-time heading data with minimal latency is crucial for safe navigation, especially for fast-moving vessels or those in crowded waterways. The device boasts an impressive update rate, ensuring that navigational data is consistently accurate and up-to-date. One of the standout features of the SXC20 is its user-friendly interface. The setup and calibration process is intuitive, allowing both seasoned mariners and newcomers to configure the system without frustration. The display is clear and easy to read, providing vital information at a glance, which is essential for maintaining situational awareness while on the water. However, it's worth noting that the initial investment in the SXC20 may be on the higher side, making it potentially less accessible for casual boaters or those on a tight budget. Nevertheless, the reliability and precision it offers justify the price for serious sailors and commercial operators. In summary, the Furuno USA SXC20 Saturday Compass is an outstanding investment for anyone seeking advanced navigation capabilities. Its superior accuracy, robust construction, and ease of use make it a prime choice for anyone serious about marine navigation, ensuring peace of mind on the open water.